Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best dog diapers for your dog comfort, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the luxury reusable dog diapers 3-pack durable dog wraps. This product is both for male and female dogs. This is suggested to use the product over your small dogs and puppies. The product is made of high-quality fabrics. It is easy to manage while applying as it has adjustable stickers. The stickiness of your dog diaper helps to hold it tightly. This is washable by both hand and machine, so you can keep it clean as you want. On top of that, this product gives superior comfort to your dogs, and on the other hand, it is budget-friendly, and its durability makes it long-lasting. The product is crafted in this way that it looks and feels comfortable on your dog's body. This is undoubtedly the best dog diaper you can buy for your pet. Check out the hands-on of the diapers on this YouTube clip. Dog diapers small, best for small dogs and puppies, waist size 10 inches to 15 inches. We recommend you measure your dog with flexible tape precisely according the demonstration photos to ensure the best fit. Our female dog diapers' strong velcros are designed to fit a larger range of measurements. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wegreeco washable male dog diapers pack of 3. This product is best for small dogs and puppies with a waist size of 13 to 16. It is a leakage-proof product. The inner layer of the diapers is very soft and comfy as it is crafted with the highest quality materials. This is a reusable product. It can be washed both by hand and machine. This product is a durable product, due to it provides world-class materials. Moreover, it also prevents you to expense a large amount of money, as it is very long-lasting. It is very much utilizing for the dog that has the problem regarding urine. This product also helps your dog by preventing them from the harmful viruses, bacteria, and germs and keeps them stay healthy. It seems very comfortable for your dog. Soft and comfortable diapers. We only choose highest quality materials for our dog wraps. The soft jersey inner wicks moisture away and keeps your dog drier during prolonged use, preventing discomfort and irritation. No crinkly or uncomfortable texture that causes many dogs to dislike the ordinary disposable diapers. At number 3, we have the Paw Legend Reusable Female Dog Diapers, pack of 3. This is a pack of 3 extremely comfortable female dog diapers, and there are various size options available. If you do not know the exact size, you can refer to the size chart. There are also multiple colors available. Coming to the quality and design of the product, there are adjustable Velcro closures, and the diapers are leak-proof. It can absorb wetness and prevent any mess created due to the urinary issue. The interior is soft thanks to extra quilt, and it is great for the skin of the dogs. There is also an odor layer, and they are washable up to 300 times. Special protection and leak-proof, our dog incontinence products are designed to make life with a leaky dog easier for everyone. It doesn't matter whether your female dog's in heat, dogs with urinary incontinence and excitable urination, these diapers are ideal to absorb wetness and eliminate messes and keep your dog's business private. We are making our lives easier with our house care, but we are also taking a lot of pressure off of our dogs as well. At number 2, we have the Paw-inspired Ultra Protection Female Disposable Dog Diapers. This set of diapers has fur-resistant fasteners that will not annoy your pet, and you can reposition the fasteners without causing any irritation. The core is leak-proof and absorbs urine or moisture and keeps the skin dry. In fact, it has an advanced superabsorbent polymer to absorb anything without creating a mess or spreading bad smell. The layers of the diapers are breathable, and it will make your dogs feel cool even when it is hot outside. It is highly durable and painless for female dogs. Paw-inspired Ultra Protection Disposable Dog Diapers are one of the highest quality disposable dog diapers in the market. They are specially designed to keep your dog comfortable and your home protected. Unlike many other brands, these dog diapers are equipped with convenient repositionable fasteners, make fitting your dog easy and painless. Paw-inspired Ultra Protection disposable dog diapers are excellent for female dogs in season, incontinence, travel and excitable urination. And finally at number 1, we have the Paw Legend Washable Dog Belly Wrap Diapers for male dog. The dog diapers have 7 various sizes for small, medium and large dogs. This is only for male dogs. The waist measurement is 13 to 16 for tiny waists. The product consists of 3 fashionable colors like black, dark blue and sky blue. This product is made with % soft and comfy materials to give your dog superior comfort and acceptance. The texture of these diapers is well enough to not create any feeling of disturbance or suffocation for your dog. The quick and simple Velcro closures of this product secure its durability. The highly absorbent wraps mainly come with absorbent pads stitched right into the bands. The outer layer is a % water resistant. Furthermore, you can easily machine wash these diapers with your daily laundry. Soft and comfortable, we choose the prime quality materials to increase your dog's comfort and acceptance, without crinkly or uncomfortable texture. Your dog will never want to take them off. Hook and loop closures are quick and easy to secure, which is durable and sticky, keeping your dog diaper stay in place well. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.